हाँ, today we learn how to use Vlookup formula in easy way. You will understand very easy way or in very less time. What is the VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP from another table. मतलब one common data from one Excel sheet to another Excel sheet. If both columns have same data on one common key to another, like lookup data from another table. Most used function of Excel by any operation data analyst. We lookup, it helps to map data from other table to parent table. In other words, we can say that it is Excel way joining of two data sets to a common key. Like there is a column is common key. Okay, in my sheet there is 1 8, or second sheet there is also a sheet on a column on sheet 2 or sheet 1 having same number, but sheet 2 we want in that column this data will this data combine from match from this data to this data. Okay, now we align is equal to VLOOKUP. Select first column, last. Okay, now here is comma, go to second sheet and select this one. Okay, then comma, there is two columns. Okay, true match, exact match चाहिए, we want to exact match, then 0 or a and enter. Yeah, see, now there will be, now you will this one. Okay, in this way you get the जैसे 126 here or 126 ऊपर, go to upward and 126 10, और यहाँ then this column are also 126 10. or one most important thing is, after getting formula we don't we want to remove the formula. If you want to remove the formula, this is also written here. You will select the column and like after that select a Control G, like you select Control G, then this one is opened, or Control G के बाद after Control G select special, or then visible cells only. Okay, then Control G, copy, Control C, or then right click, paste special, or and values only. Okay, now after that this formula is removed and this one is saved as text now. Okay, in this way you use VLOOKUP and remove the formula in very easy way. Okay, thank you.